Hello everyone, Jim Ludwig here, and we're showing you how to do a snowball debt reduction calculation using the website whatsthecost.com. Whatsthecost.com, the address is right here in the URL site at the top. We're going to go over to the right hand side and we're going to click in the second box on the right hand side. We're going to click on the American flag to make sure the currency is in US dollars. We're going to go to the opposite side, and in the second box down, we're going to click on the word snowballing, and it's going to come up with a snowball calculator. And that snowball calculator is going to let us put up to 20 different debts, but we're going to use 3 today. So our debts are going to be something like this. The first one is going to be a credit card. Say it's a $14,250. The APR is 9.9%, and our minimum payment is $324 a month. The second debt is a student loan, $24,500. The interest rate is 6.2, and our monthly payment, the minimum, is $175. The third loan we're going to demonstrate today is a car loan. We have $9,650 left. The APR is 8.9%, and our monthly payment is $375. Notice at the lower right-hand corner of the screen now the word calculate. We're going to click on that. The screen is going to jump, but what we didn't do is put in how much money we're willing to spend beyond the minimum payments, and it's a couple $100 more. So we're going to click on calculate, and it's going to come up with a amortization table showing us that we're going to start paying $450 a month on our credit card at 9.9%. We'll be making our minimum payments on the car and the student loan until the credit card is paid off a couple of years later. Our car is already retired, that loan, and then we're going to snowball all of our money into the student loan and have that paid off in a couple of more years, and we're going to be happy to be out of debt. Now, one of the things that I'm doing right now is I'm clicking and copying and pasting onto a spreadsheet. We're going to paste this onto an Excel spreadsheet. We're going to do it in text mode, and there we have a spreadsheet. On the spreadsheet, the last column is the interest, and we're going to do a summary of all the interest and see how much it is. $8,479.41 is what we paid in interest over time. We can continue to do this. Maybe it's $1,200 a month or $900 a month that we can afford for all of our debt service needs. And that's how we use whatsthecost.com to come up with a snowball report to show us how fast we can get out of debt. And I hope this was instructive for you and you can use this tool.